Abby, say hi to everybody.
Abby, say hi.
We just got Abby yesterday. She's an Australian Shepherd, and she's 2 months old. Her full name is Abigail Epstein. Not Marie. Hi, baby.
Abigail, you want some food, baby?
I think I just, okay.
You need to go potty?
Abby.
Oh, she spit out.
Maybe she doesn't want it. She really likes chewing on feet.
You need to go potty, Abigail?
Madeline, she already went over there.
Oh, I have to return. She's coming in.
Who?
15 minutes.
Oh. Abby. What you doing, girl? Abby, where are you going? Huh?
It's open.
No, you can't bite on that, girl. Oh, she's so cute.
Look at her little tail.
Abby, come here.
Abby.
Wanted to follow you.
Abby, come.
Come here, girl. It's okay. Yeah. See her little tail? See? Hi, Abby. Say hi. Hi. Yeah. 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 Good girl. Oh, you're such a good girl. Yeah. Say hi to the camera. Everybody wants to see you. Look at you. Yeah.
Hannah, this for YouTube?
Wow, she really likes the camera. I should have licked my mouth. Yeah. Okay, say bye-bye, Abby. She's more interested in her little pad thing. Okay. Bye, Abby.
Good.